What we got here? This is the HolyStone. Holy smokes. Oh, we got the little booklet here. It's a HolyStone. HS440. I don't know. I think they run 40, 50 bucks, maybe something like that. Got a little camera, and just up and down. Um, my wife got this for like, I don't know, $15 on some Black Friday thing or something, so it was pretty cheap for me. But yeah, it's got a memory card, takes the videos. Yeah, they're about 720, so not the best quality, SD quality at best. Yeah, it's got Wi-Fi, FPV. It's sketchy at best. Very sketchy at best. The video quality is sketchy at best. Other than that, it does for $15. And I've crashed it a number of times. I like these little propellers that, they're pretty chewed up. I mean, it's been in the grass grinding away many times. So it's pretty rugged for its price. So no real complaints. The controller's pretty chintzy, It's like a Radio Shack toy. Lift it up. You can put your phone in it. Let's see here. Can we even make her work? Okay. Oh, I need a battery. Pop the battery back in her. Turn her on. Internet. Wi-Fi. On. Tells you to turn off your mobile data and VPN or anything, of course, I'm sure. Connected to HolyStone. Alright. Now, turn it on. There, so go up, to pair it over this way to balance the gyro, and to turn her on. Yeah. Yeah, and I mean, once you got balanced out, you push this button here, hold it down. And you can balance her out. Sounds like the battery's about dead. Gives you a couple minutes. Oh yeah, at least it works alright. Alright. Low battery.